Hello folks, I am GMK with Tech iMedia GH, and in this particular tutorial we want to take you through how to about 3 top secrets about your Android phone. Yes, you have a phone, but there are 1 or 2 things that are so secretive about the phone that you don't know, or you have no idea how you can get that. So we want to take you through that. Just sit, relax, and then watch this particular tutorial to the end. Once again, the name remain GMK with Tech iMedia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for you to get, and then turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop a video you can get it. So we go quickly. I want to take you to the first one. The first one is how you can zoom anything at all on your phone. For instance, I want to do something right now for you to see. For instance, I want to zoom this particular one. Just tap on it twice. The third one, make sure you press and then you hold it. 1, 2, 3. So you see that you can zoom. Be it a tutorial as I'm doing right now, whatever you want to do, you can just do that so that those who are following, those who are viewing, or those who are watching can get it clearly. So let me take you through that. Just go straight to your settings. Here's my settings. Here's my setting here. Click on it. Click on it. So I have done that. And then look out for this particular accessibility. Accessibility. So I have it here. I scroll up. This is accessibility. Kindly click on it, select it out, and then you look out for this particular thing. How do we call it? We have font size. When you are texting, how you want it to look like, the size. Come to magnification. This one, magnify with triple tap. So I click on it. The phone itself, they are even illustrating to us. To zoom, quickly tap the screen 3 times, then drag 2 or more fingers to scroll. So initially it was off, so which means what I did when I started, when I do it, I wouldn't get it. So you have to turn it on, put it on. This one, I'm talking about this one. So now that it's on, anything at all I do, I can easily get it. Let's go back and then look at something. So let me go back and show you something quickly. So I have here beat photos. Let's look at something. Let me go back. I need to. So anything at all, when you tap on the listen. So I have here, you see, I have here everything, Play Store. Just for your own thing. As far as the phone is having those features, you need to know about it and then make use of it. It's very simple. So I take you through the third step. Let me take you through the second one, of course. Beg your pardon for that. Second one, how to locate a pointer. For instance, what I'm using right now, this one, I'm talking about this. A pointer. I'm not using any app. I just have it on my phone. All you have to do is to enable it, and that is all. So how do I get a pointer on my phone? For those who are lecturing via Zoom or whatever, those YouTubers out there. So quickly I'll take you through this. Come to your settings, go to settings, and then your phone system. The system. Come to system. Click on it. And then you now look for developer option. Developer option is here, which is this developer option. Now if you have not make use of this on your phone, on your Android phone before, you have to tap on it about 7 times before it will be modified. The system will now regulate as if you are the inventor of the phone. But because I have done that on several occasions, I'll just get it straightforward to where I want to go. So all these things you see here were hidden from me, not until I tap on the developer option for about 7 times, and then it's now accessible. So my pointer, there was somewhere, show tabs. Let me quickly look for that, and then enable it. Show tabs. So here show visual feedback for taps. So anytime I tap on the phone, it should reflect like the cursor that I'm using right now. Now when I turn it off, you will not be able to see it again. So wouldn't see it again. Let me go back for you to see something. Okay, so this one is a different one, but the one I was using looking a little bit ashy, so when I'm kind of some way white. Let me just go back for you to see something. Developer option. Let me quickly look out for that. So this is what I'm talking about. You can see it. When I leave the cursor aside, you can see it. Let me go back for it to get it clearly. So this particular one, but not this one. This one. Yes. So anytime you enable it, the show tabs, you will easily get it. You will easily get it. Easily get it. And so it's very simple. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, turn on the notification button if you are new here. We are pleading with you. That is the only support. Don't forget to share as well. So the third one is this. Do you know that with the support of your Google Chrome, every activity, everything you have done on your phone, it is recorded down? So the question is, somebody will ask, how is that possible? Everything that I've done on this phone, it has been saved. I just want to take you through that. It's very simple, it's very easy. So quickly go to Google Chrome and type in, or should you have a word that is using phone? I mean, one day you take the phone and you want to check what they've been doing on their phone, because some of them are very smart. When they are done, they delete everything, and so that is it. So you can just go to my activity.google.com, because I've done that on several occasions. I have it here. Don't forget, you are using your own Google account in order to get everything for you. We'll be so glad if you can subscribe to this particular channel. We're pleading with you. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop a video, you can also get one. A little bit of challenges of network. Let me get it straightforward. So yes, yes, I have it here, my Google activity. So we scroll down, everything way back 15 December 2020. No, this is a different thing altogether. So I have it here today, this particular today. Some activity may not appear yet, yes, but yet, so it is loading. It says I made use of Samsung Music, sign Google account, that is my activity. Images, I did something like that today. Everything, all of these things you see here, I've been on Play Store, YouTube, all of this. Everything you see here was what I did. All the activities that took place. So it's very simple, it's very easy. You can also check that. Don't forget, every week we drop a video. We have awesome videos coming up. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and then turn on the notification button so that you can get every update of ours. Once again, the name remains GMK with Tech Media GH. We love you, especially our subscribers. Big up to you all. Bye.